For those of us on the go, a smoothie is a great light meal. Oats are high in fiber and have some protein and lots of vitamins. Maybe that's why they say it's the original superfood. Turmeric is also nutrient dense and helps with bloating and inflammation, making a perfect Monday or Tuesday snack if you overdid it on the weekend. We're going to want to start with 1/4 cup of oat powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen berries or your fruit of choice, 1/3 cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1/2 cup of ice and blend. Oats and turmeric can be combined with many ingredients from pineapple to plum. Explore responsibly.